are here at the Angel Schools. We are conducting an event for India CSR Day. All the volunteers are very excited to work with the school children and also with the Skills on Wheels bus, which carries a laboratory to conduct various sort of activities like in the area of health and hygiene, gardening, carpentry, fabrication. All the volunteers and school children are going to work together to complete this activity. There's a lot of buzz around everyone and everybody is very excited.
It is really amazing, and I can recall my old days when I was in school.
This is actually a very good initiative taken by UBS and also the Lendi Foundation to educate children and to help them choose their area of interest for their future career growth.
I would like to thank LendAHandIndia and UBS for providing this opportunity for these kids, and I'm sure forthcoming we will have multiple more events to sustain this and make change to the society.
आणि आल्यावर इथं खूप सारे इन्फॉर्मेशन दिले आम्हाला, बँकेबद्दल माहिती सांगितली, वेगवेगळ्या बँकेची नावे सांगितली, आम्हाला कुठं कुठं असू शकतात ते आणि फ्युचरमध्ये आम्ही काय झालं पाहिजे हे वेगवेगळे माहिती सांगितली. आणि इथं बसमध्ये आम्हाला नवीन नवीन टेक्निक सांगितले, बांधकामासाठी काय काय असतं, बांधकाम करण्यासाठी मेजरमेंटचे ते दाखवले आणि बांधकाम हे भिंत आहे ना ते सरळ आहे की नाही त्यासाठी बघण्यासाठी ते मेजरमेंट होतं ते बघितलं, तर त्याने दाखवलं आम्हाला आणि त्याबद्दल माहिती सांगितली. आम्हाला त्यासाठी खूप खुश झालं. आणि सायकलवर एनर्जी कशी तयार करायची हे सुद्धा त्यांनी सांगितलं आणि व्हेकलचं ब्रेक गेअर कसं मारायचं ते सुद्धा त्यांनी सांगितलं आणि ह्यासाठी त्यांचं खूप खूप आभार.
I see a lot of energy and enthusiasm amongst the kids and also the UBS volunteers who are working as small team to create artifacts with the skills they have learned today. Overall, a day very well spent.
Hi everyone. So on this day we just got together to contribute to society and learn something for ourselves. This CSR event involved various activities like carpentry, foundry, welding, etc. And our team here came together and built up this nice looking wall clock. We have been provided with the materials and some guidance with the team here, and everyone from our team contributed in various ways, like starting with the raw material, cutting it and beautifying it, coming up with the parts, different ideas how to make a wall clock, and so this is the outcome.
Hi, this is Uday Odedra. Firstly, I just want to say a massive thank you to LendAHand and the partnership that we have, and what you see behind me is just fantastic in terms of inspiring children with that one little bit of craftsmanship that may allow them to then have a career in this field in the future. And I think, you know, what we do as UBS and what we do as Lend a Hand in India is just really, really great in terms of collaboration and partnership. Our goals are very much aligned here in terms of giving back to society and really helping children with that intervention that may help them really pursue a career in something they're passionate about in their field. I'm really inspired today. I really am. I'm inspired by the children, the energy, the noise. I'm inspired in being in Pune today. I'm inspired with our colleagues at UBS who've dedicated the day to come and help and spend time with children. And again, thank you to Lend a Hand India for the partnership, the support, and look forward to collaborating more in the future.